This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 17, Understanding Group Dynamics I. The video begins by introducing the concept of group dynamics, explaining that it will be discussed in two parts of 30 minutes each, covering the meaning, nature, and process of groups, as well as how to make groups effective. Group dynamics involves the forces that shape how members of a group interact with each other as they work towards common goals. Effective groups require shared identity, trust, belongingness, and openness among members, with communication being key for success and decision-making. While groups and teams share some similarities, such as having a common purpose, there are distinct differences between the two. Teams focus on shared purpose and collaboration, while groups have looser connections and may unite for broader reasons or causes. For a collective to be considered a group, it must have at least two people, a common goal, interdependence among members, and ideally face-to-face interaction. Formal groups have defined roles, a sense of common fate, and self-identity as group members. Groups go through various stages of formation, including forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. During the forming stage, the group begins under the leader's guidance, defining the task and purpose. In the norming stage, conflicting ideas are discussed to establish group norms, roles, and hierarchy. Members open up, take responsibility, and develop a sense of group identity and camaraderie, working towards a common goal. Once the group reaches the performing stage, members contribute fully, follow norms, and exert pressure for effectiveness. Sincere efforts and helping each other are essential for successful performance and achieving group goals. At the performing stage, groups may need to redefine their goals based on environmental factors, with adaptation and autonomous pursuit of redefined goals being key for long-term viability. The adjourning stage occurs when temporary groups disband after completing their tasks, but the stages of group development can vary based on group dynamics, context, and the uniqueness of the assignment. An alternative model proposed by Fisher suggests that groups progress through orientation, conflict emergence, and reinforcement stages, with the final stage involving consolidating consensus and completing the task. In summary, group dynamics is crucial in organizations for completing tasks effectively, and understanding group psychology and potential issues is vital. Careful group measurement from the start can prevent future problems, and dynamic groups yield great results and satisfaction for all members. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.